This is Ryan. Like so many of us, his mind is trapped in an endless loop of overthinking. Thoughts of past mistakes, future worries, and everything in between race through his mind, robbing him of peace. Ryan doesn't realize it yet, but overthinking is stealing more than his sleep, it's draining his energy, focus, and happiness. The next morning, Ryan walks aimlessly through a park. He looks drained, his shoulders slouched. He stops at a bench, lost in thought. Nearby, an older woman, Sophia, sits serenely, knitting. She's a retired teacher who has learned the art of mindfulness after decades of worrying herself sick. Today, her calm presence is no accident, it's the result of practice, patience, and a simple technique she's about to share with Ryan. Sophia shows Ryan her notebook, each word representing a thought that once consumed her mind. She then flips to a blank page and writes, "Overthinking is just thinking, but louder." Ryan watches intently as she begins her demonstration. This is thought labeling, a mindfulness technique to create space between you and your thoughts. Instead of being swept away by the storm, Sophia teaches Ryan to observe each thought, label it without judgment, and let it pass. At first, Ryan feels silly, but as he continues, something changes. Writing down his thoughts gives him a sense of clarity. He begins to see them as just words, not truths. The power of thought labeling lies in its simplicity. By identifying and naming your thoughts, you stop feeding them with energy and let them fade, like clouds drifting across the sky. Back home, Ryan practices the lesson he learned from Sophia. With each thought he labels, the storm in his mind grows quieter. For the first time in weeks, he feels lighter, as though he's finally stepped out of his own way. Ryan hasn't silenced his thoughts, they still come and go. But with mindfulness, he's learned to step back, observe, and let them pass. Overthinking no longer controls him. Your thoughts are like clouds. Label them, watch them, and let them go. The power to quiet your mind lies within you.